Yeah, so let's start. If rupees 64 amount to rupees amount this much, 64 है जो इतना हो जाता है in 2 years 83.2, what will be rupees 86 amount to, मतलब 86 कितना रुपया हो जाएगा, it means with interest in 4 years at the same rate percent per annum. So in this question, first of all we will have to find out the rate from this. इस यहाँ से हम लोग को रेट निकालना पड़ेगा, उसके बाद इसमें से इसका हम लोग इंटरेस्ट निकाल देंगे, ऐड कर देंगे, वी विल गेट आवर आंसर. सो सी, so what first of all find the difference. 60 plus 64 plus 670 or 70 plus 13.2, it will become 83.20. if you add then you will get 19.2. but this one in 2 years, this amount is this extra amount मतलब इंटरेस्ट प्रिंसिपल से ज्यादा जो आया वो इंटरेस्ट है, बट इन 2 years, बट वी विल गेट इंटरेस्ट ऑन व्हाट अमाउंट, 1 year के इंटरेस्ट पे. ठीक है, तो 1 year व्हाट वी विल हैव टू डिवाइड बाय 2, देन वी विल गेट 9.6 एक्स्ट्रा. ओके, 9.6, 9.6 का डबल 19.2. ओके, so now here we can think 9.6 is the what percent of 64. 9.6 is the, I am finding out the rate now. 9.6 is the what percent of 64. You can solve it, you can get your answer. Here see, 64 10% what will be 6.4, and 64 10% is this much, and 64 5% will be what, actually here it is 6 now, that's why I am doing like that, that no need to solve, we can do orally also this one. So 5% will become half. So look here, 9.6, it means 9.6 is the 15%. So if you solve this one you will get 15%. So rate we got from this. Now we can solve this question easily. To solve this question, 15% in 1 year, 15% per annum rate interest came to 15% per annum. So in 1 year 10% will become 8.6, 5% half, so 9, and 8 plus 4 12. This much amount, this much extra rupees in 1 years, but this amount is for 4 years. ये 4 years के लिए है ना, तो इतना per year, multiply this, you will get your answer. So 6 3 48 plus 3 51. So this much interest came. So add this much in 86. If you add 51.6, you will get your answer. So here 6 7 30, so 137.6, option C answer. Next question, if 12,000 is divided into two parts such that simple interest on the first part for 3 years at 12% per annum is equal to the simple interest on the second part for 4.5 years at the 16% per annum. 12,000 को दो पार्ट में डिवाइड करता है और उसका 3 years के लिए 12% में जितना इंटरेस्ट होता है वो बराबर है 16% 4.5 years के लिए जो इंटरेस्ट होता है. ठीक है, बहुत सिंपल. तो फर्स्ट पार्ट सपोज दैट हम लोग पी लेते हैं, फर्स्ट पार्ट सपोज दैट पी है, तो इस पर इंटरेस्ट कितना लगेगा 3 years में, पर ईयर 12%, सो 3 years में 36%. ठीक है, 36%. और दूसरा पार्ट क्या है, ये P1 ले लेते हैं, दूसरा पार्ट, हाँ दूसरा पार्ट 4.5 years के लिए है, उस पर इंटरेस्ट कितना ले रहा है 16%. तो इन 4 years 64 16 64 64 and 16 multiply half 8, it means 72% interest. So here do 52 52. Okay, here we are not able to write. Yeah, so 52 multiply 72%. दूसरे अमाउंट पे 36% इंटरेस्ट उसको मिल रहा है इन 3 years में. पहले अमाउंट पे 36% मिल रहा है, दूसरे पार्ट पे 72% for 4.5 years में इंटरेस्ट मिल रहा है. ओके, एंड बोथ आर इक्वल. इन द क्वेश्चन इट्स सेइंग ओनली, सो फाइंड द P1 and P2 का रेशियो. वी कैन इजीली गेट P1 and bring this side P2 and this side also percentage, this side also percentage, so we can cut it. Right hand side is 72, left hand side we will bring 36 this side, so we will get P1 upon P2 2 ratio 1, 36 to 72, so 2 is to 1. So we can say first part is 2 and second part is 1. It means total between 3, but here it is saying 12,000 को इन 2 पार्ट में डिवाइड किए ना, so we can say 3 equal 12,000. Here what is asking the greater part is, so greater part is first part 2, so 2 equal what, so look here, this is the 4,000 times now, 12 3 is 12, so this will become also 4,000 times, it means 8,000 answer first one. Okay, otherwise you can do like this also. So in total greater part is 2 out of 3 multiply by total कितना है, इसको डिवाइड करना है ना, 12,000. Okay, from here also you can get 8,000. Okay, yeah, find the period when simple interest on rupees this much at 6% per annum will be rupees 400. कह रहा है कि 400 कितने महीने में वो कमा लेगा. So think here 6%, to earn 6%, how many months required? Why we are considering month? Here we are thinking about month. Why? Because answer option given in month. So to earn 6%, 12 month required. क्योंकि 6% उसको मिल रहा है कितने में, पर एनम, मतलब 12 मंथ में. ओके, सो ही गॉट दिस मच एक्स्ट्रा पॉइंट अमाउंट ना, कितना पैसा कमा लिया है, 400. ओके, so 400 is what percent of 4,000, so it is visible that 400 is the 10%, 400 is the 10%, it means he has earned 10%. it means पैसा एक साल से ज्यादा रहा है, क्योंकि if it is 1 year then he has earned only how much, 6%, but he has earned 10%. so here look, to earn 10%, 12 month, it means 2 times na. What is the relation between percentage and time? Time is the 2 times of rate, so this side also time will become 2 times of the rate. 10% earn किया है तो कितने दिन रहा होगा पैसे, 20 months. so option will be option first answer. Okay, same question can be solved by traditional method also. I will show by that also. So let's see by traditional method. Suppose that principal is 100, then what could you get in interest? Interest you will get R and T. जितना भी R रहेगा टाइम, उस पर जितना इंटरेस्ट होगा उस पर इंटरेस्ट मिलेगा. ठीक है, बट प्रिंसिपल ऑलरेडी हियर इन द क्वेश्चन गिवन, देन इंटरेस्ट SI. इसको दिस इज कॉल्ड आर्यन रेशियो, दिस इज कॉल्ड आर्यन रेशियो. ये सेम है, SI इक्वल फॉर्मूला हम लोग जानते हैं ना, PR upon 100, that formula only it is written in this type of ratio. Okay, this side also, this is the principal, 100 पे कितना इंटरेस्ट, RT, तो प्रिंसिपल पर कितना इंटरेस्ट, SI, यही तो लिखते हैं ना. here what is, put the value, you will get your answer. You can solve like this also. Here we will put value, 1 minute. Yeah, so here we will put value 100 or R is given 6, T we will write as it is, and here P is given 4,000. Okay, and simple interest is given 400. Solve it, you will get, and both are equal because this side is also same, this side also same, so equal. Okay, so 20 cancel and 40 tens 400. So what we get, 60 equal 10, 60 equal 10, so 1T equal 10 upon 6. This answer is coming in years. Why? Because this is given in per annum. We will change this one in month. So we will multiply by 12. So 6 to 12 and 10 to 20. So answer will be 12 months. So like that also you can solve this question. Okay. Yeah. How much will Sangeeta get if she deposit rupees 37,000 at a simple rate of interest of 4.5% per annum after 2 years? After 2 years. So here also we can apply RN ratio. But without RN ratio also we can do. So in 1 year 4.5%. So in 2 year it will get 9%. 4 point double 4.5 multiplied to 9%. So what will be the amount? Amount will become 100 and plus 9, 109 upon 100. So this times becomes कितना टाइम हो जाएगा उसका जो प्रिंसिपल है. तो प्रिंसिपल था कितना? The same thing we have applied already in simple interest also, that profit and loss, okay, in percentage. So here also in 2 years 9% is earning. So अगर प्रिंसिपल 100 है तो 9% उसका तो 109 हो जाएगा. 9% 100 का 9% 9, 100 प्लस 9 109 अमाउंट हो जाएगा. ठीक है. तो उसका जो प्रिंसिपल है जो ऑलरेडी गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन दैट विल बिकम आल्सो दैट मच टाइम्स. You solve it, you will get your answer. 0 0 cancel and now 109 multiply 37. 0 after that हम लोग पुट कर देंगे. So here 63 7 27 and 3 3 3 0 4. एक यहाँ पे और 0 था, ये भी लगा देंगे. आंसर सी. Here option C answer. Okay. So after 2 years 37,000 will become 40,330 at the rate of 4.5% per annum. Okay. Same question RN from RN ratio also you can solve. Suppose that your principal is 100, then interest will become in 2 years. That amount here, because amount we are asking, so here also we will write amount. So amount will become 100 plus 9. Why? Because in 1 year 4.5, so time is given here 2. So 4.5 multiply to 9. So this become amount. So this side also we will write. So this is the principal. So this side also we will write principal. So principal in the question given. This principal is as per our assumption. Okay, this one is the original one. Okay, then we will compare. So here amount. Okay, so in place of 100 plus 9 we can write 109. Okay, so 20 cancel. So now we will do cross multiplication. So here also we will get 109 multiply 370. After that you will get this much. Okay. Yeah. A bank pays simple interest at 4% per annum on the first 5,500. Okay, and an interest of 6% for amounts above that. इतना से जो ज्यादा अमाउंट है उस पे 6% दे रहा है. Find the interest earned by Samira if she deposits this much with the bank for 2 years. Okay, तो first of all 2 years के लिए किया, ये भी अमाउंट 2 years के लिए है. तो in 1% what will be 1% will be 55. ठीक है. From here so from here we can see that 1% of 5,500 यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 55. Okay, then 4% because in 1 year getting 4% ना, so 4% will be what 50 here 0 to 54 to 20. Okay, but this amount is for 2 years. 2 years will become what? 2 years will become 440. So 1 minute. Yeah. So Samira will earn, who is Sangeeta? Who is Samira? Okay. Samira will earn 440 rupees on 5,500. Okay. and but she has deposited this much amount now. So how much extra amount she has deposited? So 30,250 minus 5,500. So subtract it. So 500, if you add in 5,500, 600, 600 plus 7,000, then 7,000, 6,000, 13,000, and after that 250. So this is the difference. If you subtract, then you will get this much. So what is this? 7,000, 7,500. It means 200 more. 7,750. 7,750. Okay. In that, Samira is earning how much amount? 6% amount earning. So first of all, we will find out 1%. So 1% will become 77.5. So 6%, 77. Pen is not working properly. 77.5 multiply 6%. So multiply by 6. So here you will get 0 and 7 6 1, yeah, 0 and 7 6 43 and 45 3. Okay, and 7 6 42 plus 3 45. Okay, but this is for 1 year. For 2 year, how much amount? We will multiply by 2. Okay, so you will get 0, 5 to 10, 11, 4 to 8, 9. 910 rupees Samira will earn for this much amount in 2 years. So total how much she earned? Total she earned interest as a interest 910 plus 440. Okay, so add it. If you add, then what amount will you get? 1 minute. Yeah, so I think there is a little bit mistake here. So here, if you multiply by 6, this 1 year interest, this is the 1%. After that, we have to find out 6%. So here 6 5 30 0 6 sevens 6 7 42 plus 3 40 plus 3 45. Okay, 6 7 42 up. Actually, remainder that extra spare amount, the spare balance था हम लोग के पास 6 4. So we will add 42 plus 4, then we will get 46. So here 465 multiply 2. If you multiply 465 multiply 2, then you will get 930. What will get? 930. Now if you add 440 plus 930, then you will get this much, 1370. 1370. Okay, so option B answer. Clear? So let's see here. Once again, Samira actually 5,500 she is giving. Okay, in bank on 4% per annum she is earning on this amount. Okay, so 4% will become what? 4% will become 220 in 1 year. But this amount is also for 2 years. So 2 years, in 2 years amount will become double. सिंपल इंटरेस्ट, ठीक है. 1 year के लिए दिस ना, तो 2 years के लिए 440. ओके, अब इससे जो ज्यादा अमाउंट है ना, एक्चुअली सी हैज डिपॉजिटेड टोटल 13,250, बट हियर कंडीशन गिवन दैट 5,000 on 5,500 शी इज अर्निंग ओनली 4% फॉर 2 years. और इससे जो ज्यादा है ना अमाउंट, उस पे ज्यादा अमाउंट कितना है अभी हम लोग निकाल चुके हैं, 7,750 है. तो इस पे उसको मिल रहा है 6%. तो 6% इफ यू फाइंड आउट 1% will become 77.5. 6% you have to multiply by 6. Okay, so you will get 465. What you will get? 465 for 1 year, but this amount is also for 2 years. So if you, after that, if you multiply by 2, then you will get 930. So she has earned total 440 on this amount, and on remaining amount this much, 7,750 she has earned 930 in 2 years. So add 440 and 930, 1,370, otherwise 1,370. Clear? Priya invested a certain amount of money and got back an amount of rupees this much. कितना इन्वेस्ट किया था दिया नहीं है, लेकिन उसको इतना मिलता है. Yeah, but she is getting 8,800 after 3 years. मतलब with interest, मतलब this is the amount given. Okay. If the rate of simple interest 40%, what is the principal amount invested by Priya? Okay. So in 1 year 40%. So in 3 years 120%. Okay. So suppose that your principal is 100, so your amount will become how much? 120 interest and 100 rupees principal. So amount will become 220. But in the question say amount is saying this much. So this is the how much? How many times? I think 40 times. Original one. This is our assumption. We have हम लोग लिए हैं. So this amount is 220, but original amount is 40 times of our ones. So our principal we have taken 100. This will become also 40 times. It means 4,000. Option C. Same question you can find out by RN ratio also. So in RN ratio, suppose that your principal is 100. So amount will become what? Amount will become 100 plus interest. Interest is how much? 40 multiply 3. 3 years के लिए तो 120. तो ये हो गया तुम आपका amount. ठीक है? Amount principal is not given here, so we'll write, but amount is given now. Amount is given this much. Okay. So this is the principal, so this is also principal. This is the amount, so this is the amount. This is the only RN ratio saying now. We'll compare this much. Okay, we'll compare like that. We'll write. If you want to make notes, then you will have to write like this: 100 here, 100 plus RT. This is the principal plus interest. Amount become here. You will have to write P. Here you will have to write amount. Okay, so this is called RN ratio. Okay, if you solve it, this became 220. If you add the same came. Okay, so look here. Now if you do cross multiplication, this is getting cut here by 40 times. Okay, if you do cross multiplication, you will get 4,000. P equal 4,000. Option C. The amount of simple interest on deposit of rupees this much. A deposit किया है, it means a principal है. For 3 years is rupees this much. Okay, simple interest already given for 3 years, but this is for 3 years. So 1 year what will be? We will have to divide it. Okay, so if you divide it by 3, then 3 6 18 6. After that 2, so 24, 3 4 8, 24, so 0 680 for 1 year. Amount simple interest is 680. Now simply you can find out 680 is the what percent of 8,500. You will get your answer 8,500. What percent? So cancel it. 0 0 cancel. Here 0 0 cancel. This is 17 4s 68. 17 5s. Okay, 5 2s 10. 4 2s 8. 8%. Through RN ratio also you can solve it easily. Look here. Suppose that your principal is 100, so interest will become R. Interest यहाँ पर निकालना है, लेकिन टाइम दिया है RT. ठीक है? Here already given your principal in this. The principal is 8,500. Okay. यहाँ पर principal, यहाँ पर principal, यहाँ पर interest, तो यहाँ पर भी interest. Simple interest is also given here. So 2040. Solve it, you will get your answer. Same thing came, no? Same thing. Here it will get cut by 680. Okay. After that same. Here 0 0 2 0 2 0 cancel. Okay. So solve it, you will get your answer. So here 17 4s and 17 5s. Here 5 to 10. Here 10 left now. So 5 to 10. So 4 to 8. Okay. So 8%. Yeah, a sum of rupees 7,700 is to divided among 3 sisters. 3 sisters के बीच divide करना है इतना. Okay. Vidusa, Bimala and Vaishnavi. Okay, in such a way that simple interest on each part is 5% per annum. Simple interest सभी part पे कितना है? 5% per annum. After 1 year, 2 year and 3 years respectively remains equal. 1 year के लिए भी equal हो जाता है, क्योंकि कोई part ज्यादा होगा, कोई कम होगा. ठीक है? सेकेंड ईयर सेकेंड पार्ट पे सेकेंड बिमला के लिए भी 2 इयर्स के लिए उसका भी इंटरेस्ट सेम है. वैष्णवी फॉर 3 इयर्स इंटरेस्ट सेम respectively remains equal. The share of Vidusa is more than that of Vaishnavi. Vidusa and Vaishnavi के शेयर से कितना मतलब उसमें डिफरेंस है, we will have to find out. Okay, so simple interest. How we find out simple interest? RT we are doing now. So suppose that here we can find out here. So first part is P1. On P1 it is 5% for how many years? P1 otherwise Vidusa we can write now, but here everyone is VV, so let it write P1. Vidusa के लिए P1 है, P उसका शेयर क्या है? Vidusa शेयर is P1, 5% interest, okay, and for 1 year, ये भी equal, and after that P2 Bimla for how many years? 2 years, 5%, okay, and equal. After that P3 for Vaishnavi for 5% per annum for 3 years. Interest we are getting, and interest, these all three interest are equal. Okay, you know everywhere 5%, so 5% will get cancelled because it is unequal now. Okay, so this side 5%, this side also, everywhere 5%, so we can remove 5%. So what we will get from here? We will get P1 P only, P multiply, not P multiply 1 means P. Percentage also will get cancelled because everywhere it is percentage. Okay, so here we will get 5 cancel, so P2, here we will get P3. Okay, equal. To find out the ratio of the jobs, we will have to take LCM. Here nothing means 1 1 2 3, so LCM will be 6, so by 6 we will divide it. So what we will get? P upon 6 equal P upon 3, here it will get P upon 2. So we can say that P part is 6, here P1 part is 6, P2 part is 3, and P3 part is 2. In ratio chapter we have already studied that अगर P1 and P2 बराबर है तो एक बार P1 करेंगे and P2 करेंगे, यहाँ पर P1 and P2, तो क्या हो जाएगा 2:1. इसी तरह से P2 and P3 इसको मर्ज करेंगे तो P1 P2 P3 रेशियो आ जाएगा 6:3:2. यहाँ पर बस इतना जान लें कि अगर ये सब इक्वल है तो उसको एलसीएम लेके डिवाइड कर दो, सभी का रेशियो आ जाएगा. तो कितना आ गया शेयर? Vidusa का शेयर दिस मच. So first of all here read share of Vidusa is more than that of Vaishnavi. तो वैष्णवी से कितना है ज्यादा? 4 ज्यादा है. ठीक है, बस 4 ज्यादा है तो यहाँ सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. 6 + 3 9 + 2 11, तो 11 में 4 ज्यादा है बट टोटल अमाउंट है कितना? 7700. तो सॉल्व इट. So 11 7 77, so 700 of 4, 700 multiply 4 2800. So option D. So the share of Vidusa is 2800 more than that of Vaishnavi. So option D answer. To solve such type of questions, no need to write this much. Here 5% annum, 5% interest is common, so we no need to conclude here because in ratio it will get cancel. So only if it is interest is different, then only multiply by time. So here it is 1 2 3, 1 2 3 LCM is 6. So here divide by 6. So here you will get 6. So here divide by 6 2, then you will get here 3. Here it divide 6 by 3, then you will get 2. Okay, so this is the ratio. Directly you can do in your mind. And here difference is 4 out of 11 and 77. Only this much, right? You will get 2800. No need to do that much, but these all need practice, then you can do after that. First of all you have to understand once in detail. Okay, so that's all for today.